ilang choice cuts natin. Nag-umpisa itong game nito. Sa akin, malaking bagay yung puntong nilabas mo na kailangan malinis ang baril ng San Miguel. Ito ay nangyari sa larong to. Lassiter, Fajardo, and a few other people, especially the guards, contributed in this game for the Beermen.
Exactly. Very balanced ang offense ng San Miguel. At tinulungan nila si Junmar Fajardo. 10 points by Marshall Lassiter right in the first period.
And Paul Lee and company tried their best. Ang daming beses, no? 2-3 beses tumabla yung laro. Kaso hindi makausbong. Tama yung punto nila yung Austria. Parang short yung lineup nila eh. Ang rotation ng Reynor siya dahil wala nga si Almazan. Hindi na rin pinalaro si Jericho Cruz.
Well, si Chris Ross, I thought did an excellent job in the second period playing the point guard position. At ito ang San Miguel doing a good cleanup job. Si Arvin Santos.
Saka maraming sitwasyon. Gusto ko rin yung punto mo na, okay, tumira kayo, sabi ni Junmar, lilinisan ko na lang. Ako na lang bahalang tiga-ligpit ng kalat ninyo. Eto, may slide yun eh. Ilang beses nangyari sa laro yun. Ano?
Nice pick and roll play here by Junmar Fajardo. At kulang na kulang yung kontribusyon ng mga big men ng Rain or Shine. Not only
nawala,
offensively, but also defensively. Si Bo Belga really wasn't so much in his usual game.
May effect din talaga yung absence ni Almazan kasi a big man who can sort of funnel the defense towards the end. And that was the final count, 105-92.